Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. Today's video is again a hair related video, and it's a similar video to the one that I made long back, which was how to get beachy waves. Now you guys showed me so much love on that video, and I had also done a mistake in that video, if you could spot that. So I just wanted to make a big detail video for you guys, like from start to end, step by step. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so now the curler is hot and I'm gonna start. Um, you need to hold your curler this way. Where the logo is visible, you need to hold it that way, okay, to your side. You know, the logo, you should be seeing the logo, and you need to open it. Just take one section. Wait. Keep the others behind and take one section. Okay, take like one part of your hair and the curler, move it downwards. Okay, this way, this way, this way, this way, and clip it. Keep it for 15 seconds. You can see, and after that you can also just roll it up, just for, you know, giving it more detailed shape. Yeah, that's it. It's that simple. I'm going to show it again. Take another section, same way, downwards, like inwards. Take it to yourself and clip it. Keep it for 15 seconds. The more closer you keep the hairs, the more tighten it will be. So if you want a very loose beachy wave, you can, you know, keep it separately. I'll show you the loose one also. The next one is the loose one that I'm going to show. Keep more distance to them. You can see a bit of a difference, right? They are a bit this way and it's a bit loose. So the more you keep it closer, the more tighter they become. So try keeping it loose, and you can do this way just for this look. You can see the difference, like this side and this side, right? A lot of difference. Now I'm gonna immediately spray it on the side that I've done it, as I have done smoothing, so the curls won't last like longer if I don't spray them. So yeah, you can also do this. It's optional if you want it like for 5 to 6 hours. So yeah, protect your face. You can just go out with this hair and just wear a nice outfit and you're good to go. And yeah, this is like the easiest beachy waves you can ever get. um, the other styles are also quite similar to this one, just the technique, you know, you need to learn. And yeah, and yes, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.